Shaw is playing with Papa's old Mac, which he's been playing with for months, to learn keyboarding and how computers work. But you're also on the potty. Yeah, but you didn't get any poop in your underwear, which sometimes you do still, right? But not this time.
No.
And Mama just made a charcuterie plate for Papa for my birthday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right? Oh. Today is my actual 50th birthday. And my lovely wife made a mini charcuterie plate with cheese, 2 kinds of soppressata, olives, white anchovies, red wine, and then the dessert was cheese with some chocolate, which she likes, and I like the cheese for dessert.
And I like the chocolate.
And she had some chocolate. And at first we didn't think it was all going to come together because you came home and had fallen asleep at 4 o'clock. Then we put you on the couch. It was all crazy. I had a bad day at work because I went into work to try to not work and pretend I wasn't there. But then, of course, I got sucked into work. But this is where we are. I can get an AARP card now. I'm 50, and I'm starting my career in my family in some ways. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Really? We're going to get you a wipe?
Yeah.
How's your lip from hitting the back of that kid's head at the gymnastics place? Does it hurt?
It was Oliver.
Oliver, yeah.
Now he has a big mark on his head.
He has a mark on his head?
Yes.
And Ivy's upstairs with my lovely wife. It's starting to talk. Have you noticed how she says, instead of just random blah, 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 she goes, blah, 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 which is pretty soon going to be, I want some milk. But she's going to take a whole nother year to learn.
Can you do that? I don't know.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah.
No,
It's going to be, I want some milk. Blah, blah, blah. I want some milk.
No. Remember that thing when I was pooping? Remember when you were doing that silly thing? And this thing means.
Oh, Donald Duck?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Yeah. Alright, I gotta get you a wipe.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. Alright, we're gonna put this on a video post for Achy Dad. Yeah, that's what I say.